Good evening, everyone. It's Tammy Taylor with Century 21 Seller's Choice. Just want to let you know that I'll be hosting an open house this Saturday, March 24th at 52 Concord Drive in CBS. This is an absolutely beautiful home with stunning views of Conception Bay. It's a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom home, approximately 2,100 square feet. Listed for $359,000. So if you're out and about on Saturday, drop in to see me. Once again, it's between 12 and 2. I also wanted to let everybody know of Century 21's Customer Appreciation Program. So if you buy, sell, or refer somebody and there's 2 closed transactions, you receive 7-day accommodations at a resort of your choice. So it's a really good program where you benefit if you work with us. So come by 52 Concord and we'll have a chat about that, and you can take a look at this beautiful home. Have a great evening.